Hello subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a new video. Today I will let you know how we can use Copilot Skills feature in Excel. So before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new video. And also if you want to do practice right now, you can simply download practice sheet from the description and you can start practicing with me. So let's get started. So first I will show you what is the use of skills feature in Copilot. So if you will notice on my screen, I have one data set which is not in the clean format. You can see we have multiple flows, like order date is somewhere not in the correct format, some amounts are not in the correct format, some cells are missing, somewhere we have extra flows, somewhere we have the abbreviations. So we have multiple flows in our data set, and if I want to clean this time I'm not using the formulas just to clean this data set, because nowadays we have Copilot, and in Copilot we can use Copilot skills feature, which is insane feature. Let's get started and let's try to apply here skills. So if I will click on Copilot icon, see, Copilot is the paid version. So if you want to use that, you just need to get the license of Copilot from your admin team, or it can be possible you can buy for your own. So simply if I will click on Copilot icon, you can notice we have the plus icon in the chat box, and in this chat box we have the choose skills feature, and here you can notice we have some predefined skills that we can directly use. If these skills are required for you, you can simply use that. But I have created one custom skills, if you will notice, that is Excel data cleaning. I will show you in this video how we can create the skills from scratch. I will guide you, and also I will provide you one prompt through which you can create any type of skills. Just you need to explain your scenario or you are able to create any skill for Copilot. So let's click on the skill and let's apply the skill on this data set. I'm just clicking on apply skills instructions on sheet 1. So let's see what result we will get by just applying the skills, and after this we will also learn from scratch how we can create the custom skills in Copilot. So it will hardly take 3 to 4 minutes and it will try to clean your data set, and let's wait for a while and let's see what will be the final result. So earlier this skills feature we have with Claude and ChatGPT, but now the skills feature we have with Copilot also, and we can simply explore this feature. And in this video we are going to learn how we can create the customized skills by using your scenarios, or I will take the same scenario just to do data cleaning, so that you will get clarity how we can create the skills from scratch. And you can notice now it has started cleaning the data set. Let's see what will be our final result. And it's done by using Copilot. If you will notice, we have the proper clean data set in the table formatting. Let's click on done for now and let's check what it has cleaned and what is not clean. But if you will notice, we have the clean data, we have all the dates in the correct format, but some dates are invalid, so that's why we are getting invalid message here by using Copilot. And some, if you will notice, some cells are missing, so that's why Copilot is giving me cells missing sales amount. So we can just check and we can fill it down. Let's auto fit this scenario and let's see what will be our final result. And you can notice we have the clean data and we have the correct result. Maximum things are already correct. If you will notice, the region is also now correct, and order IDs, if you will notice, we have in the correct way maximum, and the date is also correct, amount is also correct now in the same format. Somewhere we have the missing order ID and check negative value, so we need to check that part. So it is giving me some indication also in this F column, if you will notice, data quality notes. So these are the notes created by Copilot. So I've created the skills. How? Let me show you. Where's this feature we have? I'm taking a new chat. So let's talk about now how we can create from scratch any skill in Copilot. So if you will go to plus icon, you have the choose skills feature. You can simply move down and you have this manage skills option. You can click on custom skills, and here you have the option of skill files you upload to your skills OneDrive folder. If you will click on this, then you will directly move to OneDrive link, if you will notice. So right now you can notice I have here only two skills that we have. This is just an example skill and this is the skill that I have created right now. So just to create the skill, I will use here one AI tool, that is ChatGPT, just to get the better result. But in ChatGPT, we need to use a better prompt to create the skill that we required in this format. If you will notice, this is the format that should be followed while creating the skills. So all the instructions given by Copilot, if you will notice, these instructions we need to follow while creating any skill. So for now, what we need to do, I've already created here one prompt that you can directly use. So I will also share this file in the description so that you can directly download and you can create the skill. So in this prompt, what you need to define, you just need to define your requirement here in this scenario and requirement, and it will follow the same format that is defined by Copilot to create any skill. So this time what we will do, instead of defining this format to ChatGPT, we will give the screenshot of our data set so that it is able to verify, or it is able to give me the correct result. So if you are able to share this data set to ChatGPT, then it is fine. If you are not able to share, then you can simply take a screenshot, or you can create the sample data set what you have. So for now, I'm giving here screenshot of this data set. I will take a screenshot for now, and let's move back to ChatGPT screen. I will paste it here. Also, I will attach my prompt. So let's attach here the same prompt. So this is the prompt, and I will simply give the instruction create a new skill for Copilot as per attached prompt and attach screenshot. So I've given here a very simple scenario, create a new skill for Copilot as per attached prompt and attach screenshot. Let's click on send and let's see what will be the final result given by ChatGPT for now. After creating the skill, what will be the next step? That is very important step. Make sure you will watch this entire video so that you will get an idea how you can create the Copilot skills for your work scenarios. Just you need to define your requirement and you need to give this prompt, and this ChatGPT or any other AI tool will create this MD file, that is markdown file, just like this. And simply next what we need to do, I will just share it to you, wait a while. So it has created now this file. Let's copy this file, and right now you can notice this same folder we have created, we have to create in Copilot OneDrive folder. So I will just click on plus and I will simply create here one new folder, or even you can copy this, that is also not a big deal. You can copy this folder or you can duplicate this folder. So now I have duplicated this folder directly. So we have the copy of this folder. Now I will rename this, and the name will be the same as our MD file. This name should be same. This is the instruction given by Copilot. So we have to use the same name. Then you can click on this folder and click on the skill.md file and select all this text that we have here in the left side. Delete this, and now we will paste the new text that we have created. Let's paste it now here. So we have here now the new skill. You can notice the skill name is Excel order data cleaning. Let's close this. And now the new file, if you notice, it is already saved, the new file. And we will simply go back to the skill folder, and you can notice we have the new skill. The name is Excel order data cleaning. Now what we can do, we can go back to our Excel screen and let's use the same data again. I'm going to copy this and I will move this to a new sheet, that is sheet 2, same data set which is not in the clean format earlier. Now you can notice when you will simply go to plus and click on choose skills, and here you will click on manage skills, custom skills. Right now you are getting only one skill that I have already created, but right now we have created one more skill. Let's click on refresh and let's see what will be the final result here. So it is just refreshing that skill. Let's see we will get that correct skill or not. And bingo, if you will notice we have the new skill here. Let's on this toggle button and now you can close this. Now what you can do, you can click on plus icon, choose the skill, and now this time you have a new skill that is called as Excel order data cleaning. And I will just type this, apply the skill instructions on sheet 2. So let's see what will be the final result on this sheet 2 by using the skills. Hopefully you have learned something new till now. If you want to learn more in deep from basic to advanced Excel with AI tools, you can simply visit my website www.shortandclearexcel.in. Go and enroll in my courses and you will learn new things and multiple new features of Excel, AI tools and also the Power BI. Go and check out right now and let's continue the video now. And it's done. If you will notice, we have the clean data. If you will notice the date, the sales amount, names, region, we have in the clean format. Maximum data is in clean, and we are getting also this data quality notes so that you will get an idea what you need to do after that part. So this Copilot is very useful in this scenario when you will create the skills. And if you have any work scenario, you can try the same scenario from scratch how I have built the skill. I will provide you this sheet also and this Microsoft Word file also, so that you are able to create the same structure skill that we have to upload or we have to paste in the Copilot skill file. This is the skill file, skill.md file. So I will provide you this Word file and also I will provide this practice sheet so that also you can do practice on the same work data. And if any doubt, you can simply type in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about this Copilot and skills feature and other features of Copilot, how we can integrate AI with Excel, if you want to learn in deep, you can even check out my courses which are available on my website www.shortandclearexcel.in. Go and enroll right now. You can even learn more in deep and you will get an idea how we can leverage AI tools in Excel. Also, one more thing, if you want to learn in deep this Copilot, first try to create one skill for your work scenario. Let's say if you are doing some steps, 4 to 5 steps on daily basis and you are just doing repetitive tasks, create your task or 5 to 6 steps as a skill and then upload that skill in Copilot and try that skill for Excel. Make sure you will just create a copy of your workbook, then only you will try and you will get an idea, so that it will be very helpful for you and it will also increase your productivity. It will save your time. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Hopefully you have learned something new today. And if you want to learn more things just like this, Excel, Power BI and AI tools, you can simply stay tuned with me, and also you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new video. Thank you so much for watching.